Alright, so we're going to attempt to make some metal art. Maybe a little bear or something. A pencil holder, a pen holder or something. So we got just a few nuts and bolts here. I grabbed like this one, and all these here. A little screw, and then these ones here. So what we'll do is we'll get it set up. I'll set my table up, get the TIG welder set up, and then got a light set up here with a little tripod so we can get that ready to go. So I'm gonna grab my fab table, set the camera up, and then we're gonna start welding. Alright, and just like that, we've got our little pen holder, or pencil holder, or whatever you want to call it, done. We'll just use some welding rod, a washer, got a couple big nuts. These are all just nuts with a screw in the end, and then we TIG weld them with just regular wire, and that's it. Pretty cool. Remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.